Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to unmute ringtone in Xiaomi 15. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on sound and vibration. After clicking on sound and vibration, you can see the option ringtone. If you want to unmute your ringtone, then simply swipe right and increase your ringtone. Your ringtone will unmute. The another way to unmute your ringtone is press volume button and then click on these three dots. If you want to unmute your ringtone, then simply click on this ring button and it will unmute. So this is the way to unmute ringtone in Xiaomi 15. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.